Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel Fashion Hair Studio. How are you all? I hope all of you will be fine and doing good. Dear viewers and dear subscribers, today's video will be going very interesting and classy. Dear viewers, in today's video you will see classical fashion and styles and trends of haircuts and hair designs and hair colors ideas in this video. Dear viewers, this video will be going very interesting and classy. Dear viewers, in this video you will see very amazing and very classical designs of haircuts for every age of women and every face shape haircuts we suit. So dear viewers, must watch this video and share this video with your friends and relatives and subscribe to my channel for more videos and more designs. Dear viewers, I always try to bring a latest video and latest designers collections and haircuts for you. So don't skip my any video and any collection about haircuts. Dear viewers, in this video you will see haircuts like short pixie bob haircuts, undercuts, side cuts, and head shapes designs ideas. Dear viewers, try these haircuts and make your look elegant and classy. And see you soon again with another video and another collections of haircuts and hair designs ideas. And goodbye viewers till the next video, and see you soon again with another latest collections of blonde haircuts and hairstyles designs ideas. And thank you for watching my video and share this video with your friends.